Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the AuroraRC M3, M4, M5 nut screw with a one-way bearing. So the cool thing about this one is that in comparison with the normal wrench, and I need something to open this up. Ooh, take that through. So you can use this pretty easily because it turns like that direction. It turns and it instantly stops if you turn directions. So it's pretty easy to screw stuff on and off. Just turn it around, and if you are as weak as I am, yeah, no. So you can, not sure you can see it. I think you can see it. I have really little steps. Just screw it down. So let's put this side up so you can see it. So I can turn it like this indefinitely, and I can stop at any point and just turn it the other way, and it will turn. It's not like with the wrench where it click, 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 and if you're in between it won't work. And here you can see I just have to wiggle it and it will still turn. So that's pretty cool. Another interesting thing they did is they included M4 and M3 holes in there, so I can even unscrew and screw in stuff like that. Pretty cool actually. And it's kind of a fidget spinner. Not really, but kind of. And it only works one way around. That's pretty cool. Love it. Okay, so let's get some size measurements and weight measurements. 23.4 grams. That's quite heavy actually. And I ran out of battery here, I think. So there won't be any digital size measurements, but some analog ones. So it's 47.5 millimeters tall and 73 millimeters long, and the narrow part is 5 millimeters, and this part here is 10.12. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.